Today, I'll be giving you my top 5 reasons on why you should buy the S22 Ultra late in 2022. Let's get started. Yo, what is up guys? Aaron here. And today, I'll be sharing my top 5 reasons on why you should buy the S22 Ultra late in 2022. With Black Friday right around the corner, holiday sales right around the corner, you can find some amazing deals on the S22 Ultra and save a lot of money while doing so. Oh, and speaking of saving money, are you guys sick and tired of overpaying for the things that you need? Well, me too. Whether it's food, electricity bills, gas bills, whatever it may be, with all these companies increasing their prices, it's getting harder and harder to save money, which is why you should check out our partner for today's video, Mint Mobile. You might already be familiar with Mint Mobile if you've seen those goofy ads from Ryan Reynolds, but if you're not, then let me explain. So Mint Mobile provides premium wireless service without sacrificing speed, data, or coverage, all for as low as $15 a month. Yeah. $15 a month. Sounds crazy, right? So I've been using Mint Mobile for the past couple months now just to save some money and just to see how it is, and it totally exceeded my expectations. Whether it was texting, calling, internet browsing, social media, I couldn't even tell a difference in speed or performance when I was comparing Mint Mobile to my old provider. So Mint Mobile is built on the nation's largest 5G network, and at such a low cost, I saved a good amount of money which I used on food, gas bills, electricity bills, all the necessities that I needed. Making the switch is super quick and easy. You can choose to keep your current number or get a new number, whether it's an eSIM card or a physical SIM card. You can activate your device from the comfort of your home in a matter of minutes. So Mint Mobile provides nationwide unlimited talk and text, lightning fast 5G, free mobile hotspot. They also have affordable family plans as well. Everything you need for as low as $15 a month. There's seriously no reason to be overpaying for your phone bills when you can get the same premium service plus save a lot of money by switching to Mint Mobile. So if you want to start saving money today, I highly suggest you guys check out Mint Mobile by clicking the link in the description below. And as an added bonus, if you purchase a 3-month plan anywhere between November 14th and January 15th, you'll receive an additional 3 months free, and that goes for any plan you choose to go with. So a huge thank you to Mint Mobile, our partner for today's video. Make sure you guys check out the link in the description below and start saving with Mint Mobile today. Alright guys, so for the first reason, I wanted to save for last, but I thought it was really important for all of us to know, and I could be wrong, but I feel like smartphone technology has somewhat hit a plateau. From my Galaxy S4 to the S7, the S9, I had the Note 10 Plus, the S21 Ultra, and the latest S22 Ultra, the significant improvements and upgrades just hasn't been that impressive as of late. And with the rumors of the upcoming S23 Ultra, which of course we don't know 100% of the details yet, it's hard to assume that it's going to be a major improvement from the S22 Ultra. There's rumors of more megapixels, which is good, but doesn't necessarily make a camera better. There's rumors of increase in size and weight, as if we need larger and heavier phones, and bigger doesn't always translate to better. Or does it? Of course, we should very well see an increase in performance, but just how much better will it be? The biggest jump that we've seen from Samsung was back in 2011 with the Galaxy S2, then of course the Note series later that year. Then we've seen the Edge panels, then probably my favorite phone ever from Samsung, the Note 10 Plus, which was released back in 2019. I also want to include the S21 Ultra, which is a fantastic phone even to this day. But my point is that phones are releasing each and every year, and they're getting better each and every year. But we haven't seen that generational leap that we've seen in the past. So you're probably thinking, okay, then why should I buy the S22 Ultra? Which brings me to my next point, and that's the price. The best phone right now is the one worth paying for. When the S22 Ultra first released about 9 months ago, I'm not gonna lie, I thought it was way overpriced. If I were to make this top 5 video back then, I can assure you price would not be on the list. Aside from the S Pen and some minor improvements from the S21 Ultra, I just couldn't justify paying a hefty price for a S22 Ultra when the S21 Ultra was like a Super Saiyan 1, for example, and the S22 Ultra was like a Super Saiyan 1.5 with an S Pen. Anyways, with all that said, with the upcoming release of the S23 Ultra, which we don't know the full details as of yet, it just seems like recent history tends to repeat itself. With Black Friday right around the corner, we got Christmas, holiday sales, you can find an S22 Ultra for under $1,000, which I think is a fantastic deal, and it's a lot cheaper than the new iPhone 14 Pro Max. Having owned the S22 Ultra for about 9 months now, the performance has been fantastic, there's no signs of slowing down, and for just under $1,000, I think it's a fantastic option. So I mentioned the plateau and I mentioned the price. Next, I want to mention the age. The S22 Ultra at about 9 months old, to me, is about 9 months young. 9 months is not that old, guys. I mean, think about golf, for example. All these companies are releasing new irons and drivers each and every year, claiming an increase in yards and performance. Well, if that was the case, I'd be able to drive the ball about 1,000 yards by now. The S22 Ultra is a very capable phone and it does everything very well. At just 9 months young, you'll be very pleased with the performance and the longevity with the S22 Ultra. The fourth reason is the obvious one, and that's the S Pen. The Note 4 was my first Galaxy Note with the built-in S Pen, and honestly, back then, I did not use it much at all. Later, with the Note 10 Plus, I found myself using the S Pen much more often. Of course, it depends on your workflow. Some might find it useful, some may not. But for me, I deal with a lot of customers for a living, and I handle a lot of applications signing documents on a daily basis, and the S Pen just has been godsend. Having the S Pen just made my life so much easier, and on top of that, there's so many things you can do with it. You can use it as a remote control for a presentation, you can control music and media with it, you can take full control of your camera, you can magnify anything on your screen up to 300%, you can translate text, you can screen write, just a great amount of features that I found very useful, and the fact that it comes with the phone standard, I just can't imagine getting another phone in the future without an S Pen. And my fifth and final reason is that the S22 Ultra is very well-rounded. It has a gorgeous display, which is no surprise coming from Samsung. It has amazing performance and speed, a top-notch camera, a capable battery, the S Pen. The phone just checks all the boxes and it does everything very well. Some may argue that the design is not all that great, which is subjective. Some may argue that the phone is too big or too bulky, but that's pretty much the trend with all flagships these days. But other than that, with the current price cuts ranging anywhere between $200 to $300, there's amazing trade-in value that's up to $600, possibly even more. It's hard to not recommend this phone, especially at this time. So if you guys can find the S22 Ultra at a discounted price, I would not hesitate to do so. It is still a top tier phone and still will be for years to come. Alright guys, that was my top 5 reasons on why you should buy the S22 Ultra late in 2022. And if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel and like the video as well. That way I can provide more content for you guys. Anyways, thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one. Peace!